This person travels at the average speed of 77.8 kilometers per hour, and that's the velocity, which is distance over time. So the total time is distance per over velocity, and distance equals velocity times time, which is 89.5 kilometers per hour times time. So the total time equals the time the person travels in the time for the rest. So the rest time is 22 minutes, which is 0.367 hour. We plug those numbers into the equation, we get t plus 0.367 hour. That's the total time, and 89.5 kilometers per hour times hour, that's the person travels, and 77.8 hours, 0.8 kilometers per hour, that's the average speed. So we distribute the hours to t and 0.367, and times 77.8 kilometers per hour to both sides, and subtract that 77.8 kilometers per hour, and take out the t on the left side, we get this equation. Then we further subtract the 89.5 kilometers per hour, and divide by that numbers on both sides, we get t equals 2.44 hour. And like that, add that number to the person that takes rest, which is 2.81 hour. That's the total time the person travels on the trip. Spent on the trip. How far does a person travel? So the distance equals velocity times time. The velocity in this case is 89.5 kilometers per hour, and times the time we just solved, 2.44 hours, we get 218 kilometers. So the total time the person spent on the trip is 2.81 hours, and the total distance that the person travel is 218 kilometers.